just concentrate on my voice and close your eyes, alright? Listen to my words. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about that noise. That's someone opening a pack of crystals. Something, forget it. Right. You no longer need tennis balls in your life, alright? They don't excite you. Yeah? You're not going to want to chase them. You're not going to want to fetch them. You're not going to want to chew them. And if you do think you're going to do something else instead, alright? Anything, like, I don't know, you're going to give me all of your biscuits and all of your food and let me sleep in your bed. Just no, okay, don't worry, go back to sleep, relax, forget it.